What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today we are talking about the metaverse. Now, if we go all the way back in time to the beginning of 2022, the metaverse was all the rage. I swear everybody and their mom was coming out with a metaverse. But the metaverse hasn't fared so well this year. So the metaverse market collapses with monthly platform sales falling 96% so far this year. And it's almost the end of the year. I don't think we're going to see that last 4%, but Jesus Christ, that is insane. So while metaverse platforms brought in $49.2 million in monthly trading volume in January, that figure dropped to a mere $2 million in November, a decline of 96% from the start of the year, according to the Block Research 2023's Digital Asset Outlook report. Metaverse land prices have fallen 90% from the beginning of the year. Man, remember when Snoop Dogg bought a house in the metaverse and like everything around that house was selling for like crazy amount of money? I wonder how much that land is worth now. But anyway, moving on. While the metaverse platform, The Sandbox, lost its dominance in land sales to NFT worlds during the first few months of 2022, it finished off the year with 54% of market sales in November. The Sandbox also saw the highest number of unique users among any other virtual world platforms with 17,019 users. The second most populated platform was Decentraland, and that had 6,529 unique users. NFT Worlds led metaverse land values over the first few months of 2022, with an average sale price of a virtual plot hitting a high of $44,000 in a week of February 26th. Decentraland now claims that lead, albeit at a much lower price, with an average of $1,780 per land, according to the Block's data dashboard. Now, all these prices can obviously go up. I mean, the market is down. The metaverse isn't doing well. NFTs isn't doing well. Hell, crypto isn't doing well. And if you go even beyond that, the stock market isn't doing well. So it's only to say that, hey, everything is down, but they're taking a much bigger hit. But it kind of makes sense because out of everything that's been proven, like obviously we know stocks is proven, right? Crypto is proven, I mean, for the most part, right? NFTs, less proven than crypto. And then you have the metaverse land, which is way less proven, way more skeptical than, or speculation, I should say, than everything else, right? So for that to fall, it kind of makes sense, right? Because when you try to compare metaverse land to real land, people still can't really wrap their head around it. Just like sometimes people find it hard to wrap their head around NFT and digital art and real art, right? So I feel like it's the same thing, but with land, I feel like it's even harder for people to wrap their head around, which is why it took such a big hit in 2022 and why I think it's going to be very hard for it to continue to rise in 2023. Now, once the bull market comes back, I do think that we'll see a rise in land price or metaverse land price. I think it probably will happen. I mean, with the pump, logically, everything should rise up in price. But I don't know if we'll see those same heights that we saw in 2022 when metaverse was like the big thing and everybody was trying to buy a plot of land in the metaverse. But what are your thoughts? Do you think that the metaverse is still a good play? Are you still high on these plays like Decentraland, like Sandbox and MT Worlds, or are you kind of just hands off for now and just watching? Let me know down in the comments. But thanks so much for watching. My name is Jay Seals. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.